Hello, welcome back to my recorded classes. Today we are discussing the topic section number 5.6, solve a linear system using matrix inverse method. This is the topic from the course Mathematics for IT from chapter 5. So let's start the topic. Solve a linear system using matrix inverse method. So this section mainly we are concentrating how to solve a linear system of equations, especially 2 by 2 system by using matrix inverse method. 2 by 2 system means we need to find x and we need to y, correct? Two equation and two unknowns. Same, how to find the solution of 3 by 3 system of equation by matrix inverse method. 3 by 3 means 3 equations and 3 unknowns, correct? So we need to calculate x value, y value and z value. So these two mainly we are concentrating here. So same idea we can extend to the n by n system. Okay, so we will start the topic with the 2 by 2 system first. Okay, so consider a system of equation. See, here we have a 2 by 2 system of equation, 2 equations and 2 unknowns. So to solve this system means we need to find what is x and what is y. Okay, I will give the procedure only. Detailed theories already we are discussed before. So just a procedure how we are doing a solution of a system by matrix inverse method. In before sections, remember 5.2 we are studied Gaussian elimination with backward substitution to find the solution, and 5.3 we are studied Gauss-Jordan reduction to find the solution of a linear system of equation. This is the third method, matrix inverse method. So what we are doing is represent the given system in the matrix form, Ax equal to b. Okay, that means our system we need to represent in matrix form, Ax equal to b, where A matrix means just behind a number, coefficient matrix, x behind number A1, y behind number B1, second equation x behind number A2, y behind number B2. This matrix we are calling A matrix. We are written here just a coefficient matrix. And capital X means what are the values we need to find, unknown matrix. X value we need to calculate, y value we need to calculate. So column matrix x, y. And capital B means the right side number matrix. What are the right side number here? D1 and D2. This column matrix we are calling B matrix. Now once you write a system in the form of matrix, the solution is x equal to A inverse multiply B. A inverse matrix multiply B. That means you need to calculate what is the inverse of the A matrix, this 2 by 2 matrix, correct? We are studied in just before section 5.5 section how to find the A inverse matrix, 2 by 2 system, 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so using that one find A inverse, then A inverse matrix multiply B matrix, we will get what is the solution of that linear system. So this is the procedure for finding the solution by matrix inverse method. Okay, now same idea we can extend in 3 by 3 system also. Here see, it is a 3 by 3 system, correct? 3 by 3 system. Before it was 2 by 2 because 2 equation and 2 unknowns, correct? Now here it is 3 equations and 3 unknown. So as usual the procedure to solve this system, we need to calculate x value, y value and z value. So represent the given system in Ax equal to b matrix form. Matrix A means just to write the behind number, x behind number, y behind number, z behind number in 3 equations. And capital B means the right side number matrix, D1, D2, D3. And capital X means what are the values we need to calculate, x value, y value, z value. This is the capital X matrix. Then after that we are using the same rule, matrix inverse method, x equal to A inverse multiply B matrix. We need to calculate A inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. We are studied in 5.5 section. Okay, so use that one, find the A inverse, then calculate what is the solution of that equation. Okay, let's go to the question so that we will understood more. First question, solve the system of equation by matrix inverse method. Solve, okay, can underline the word solve. Solve means we need to calculate x and y. Which program we need to use? Matrix inverse method. This is the important idea, because already we are studied Gaussian elimination, Gauss-Jordan. So here we are using matrix inverse method to find the solution of the linear system. Okay, so first what we are doing is write the matrix A just behind the number matrix. Then write B matrix. B matrix means the right side number matrix. And capital X. Capital X means the unknown matrix. What are the values we need to calculate? Because we need to write this system in the form Ax equal to B. Correct? System we need to write in the form Ax equal to B. That means equation we need to change into the matrix form. So we will go to the idea. First we are writing the A matrix. What is the A matrix? First equation, X behind number 1, Y behind number 2. Second equation, X behind number 3, Y behind number -5. Coefficient matrix. Now B. B means the right side number 4 and 1. X means the unknown matrix X and Y. Correct? What are the values we need to calculate that matrix? Now, as you know, the solution, what is the rule for finding solution? X equals A inverse multiply B matrix. Correct? A inverse multiply B matrix. So first we need to calculate what is the A inverse matrix. Correct? So find A inverse means first we calculate what is determinant. Determinant of A equals main diagonal number multiply 1 multiply -5 minus off diagonal number multiply 3 multiply 2. So what will be the answer? 1 multiply -5 -5 minus 3 multiply 2 -6. So -5 -6 means -11. Now from this we can write what is A inverse. Already we are studied in 5.5 shortcut method for finding the inverse of a matrix. What is the inverse? 1 divided by determinant of A. That means -11 multiply main diagonal number interchange. What are the main diagonal number? 1 and -5. Interchange these two numbers. Correct? So -5 first write and 1 we are writing last. Then off diagonal put opposite. 2 opposite -2. 3 opposite -3. I hope you understood how to find the A inverse. Okay. So if you want more detail this one, you can refer this section 5.5. Okay. This recorded class you can refer 5.5 inverse finding. Now we are going to find the solution now. X equal to A inverse multiply B is the solution rule. So A inverse matrix means 1 over -11 multiply matrix -5 -2 -3 and 1 multiply B matrix. What is B matrix? 4 and 1 right side number matrix. Okay, this 1 over -11 last only we are multiplying to inside. Okay, otherwise calculation will be little hard. Okay, so these two matrices first we are multiplying. You know how to multiply two matrices. We are studied in 5.1 section. This is the first row. Correct? This is the second row. And this is the column number 1. So what we are doing? Row number 1 and column number 1 multiply. Row number 1 means -5 2 with column number 1. First number with the first number. -5 multiply 4 -20 plus second number with the second number -2 multiply 1. So you will get -22. Then row number 2 with column number 1. Okay, so row number 2 means -3 and 1. So first number -3 multiply first number is 4 plus second number is 1 with second number is 1. So -12 plus 1 -11. I hope you understood. So we can write the multiply step. Next page I am writing. So X equals 1 over -11 matrix. Okay, first number what we got? -22. Second number -11. So -22 -11. Okay, now this 1 over -11 multiply with the first number, multiply with the second number inside. Correct? So how we will get that one? 1 over -11 multiply minus 22. You can check by calculator. 1 multiply minus 22, minus 22 by minus 11, that is 2. Correct? Now second number, 1 over minus 11 multiply with minus 11. So 1 multiply minus 11 divided by minus 11, it is equal to 1. So what we are getting, capital X means small letter x and y equals, right side when we are multiplying, what answer we are getting, 2 and 1. Hope you understood. So x value is the first number, y value is the second number. Now we are writing the answer. So the solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 by using matrix inverse method. I hope you understood these steps, correct? Write the matrix, then determinant, then A inverse, then apply the rule, find x and y. Okay, let's go to the second question now. This question number 2. Solve the system of equation by matrix inverse method. Same model. Next question. So first write what is A matrix. 5, 2, 7, 3. We can write B matrix. 4 and 5. We can write capital X matrix, x and y. Okay. Now we need to calculate first determinant of A. Determinant of A equals main diagonal numbers 5 multiply 3 minus off diagonal numbers 7 multiply 2. 5 multiply 3, 15. 15 minus 14 means we will get 1. Now write what is A inverse. A inverse matrix equal 1 divided by determinant A. Determinant A is 1. Multiply main diagonal of the matrix interchange. So 5 and 3 interchange. 3 write first, 5 write last. Off diagonal put opposite sign. 2 opposite sign minus 2. 7 opposite minus 7. Okay. Now we are going to find the solution. We are writing the rule x equal A inverse multiply B by matrix inverse method. We are using inverse of a matrix. That is why we are calling matrix inverse method. So equal. What is A inverse? First apply 1 over 1 matrix 3 minus 2 minus 7 and 5. Multiply B matrix. What is the B? 4 and 5. Matrix 4 and 5. Now you can see, multiply these two matrices. This is the first row. Multiply with the first column. After that, row number 2 multiply the column number 1. So first row 1, column number 1. Row 1, column number 1. Row 1 means 3 minus 2. Multiply with the column. So first number 3 multiply 4 plus second number minus 2 multiply 5. So 12 minus 10. So 2 we are getting. Now R2 with C1. Second row with column number 1. R2 first number minus 7 multiply C1 first number 4 plus second number 5 multiply 5. Correct? So minus 7 multiply 4 minus 28. Minus 28 plus 25. 5 multiply 5. Correct? Minus 28 plus 25. So that we will get minus 3. Okay, so I can write capital X equals 1 over 1 is 1 only. Matrix, what are the numbers multiply? We go 2 and minus 3. So 2 and minus 3. Correct? Now, what is capital X? X and Y equals 1 over 1 means it is 1. So once we multiply this number to inside, the same number will get it. Correct? So matrix 2 and minus 3. So we can write the solution. Solution is x equal to the first number, y equal to the second number minus 3. I hope you understood. X means the first number here, y means the second number here, minus 3. Okay, one more question we will do, same idea. Question number 3. Question number 3 here. Solve the system of equation by matrix inverse method. Try yourself, that one can do first. Okay. So A matrix here 3, 2, -1, 4. B matrix 1 and 9. Capital X matrix X and Y. Now first we are calculating what is determinant A. Main diagonal numbers 3 multiply 4 minus off diagonal number -1 multiply 2. So you can check the answer. 3 multiply 4 means 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Okay. Then A inverse matrix equals 1 over determinant A, 1 over 14 multiply matrix main diagonal number interchange. So what are the main diagonal numbers? 3, 4. We can interchange these two numbers. So we will get 4 first, 3 last. Off diagonal put opposite sign. 2 opposite -2, -1 opposite 1. Now we will go to the solution. X equal, write the rule, A inverse multiply B matrix. What is the A inverse matrix? 1 over 14 multiply matrix 4 -2 1 3 multiply B matrix. What is the B matrix? 1 and 9. So as I told you, we can multiply this row. This is the first row. This is the second row with this column number 1. So first row 1 with column number 1. So 4 multiply 1 plus -2 multiply 9. Then you can check what is R2C1. Second row with column number 1. Second row 1 multiply 1 plus 3 multiply 9. You can check what is this number getting. 4 multiply 1 is 4 plus -18. 4 minus 18 -14. Correct? 4 minus 18 -14. Now here 1 multiply 1 1 plus 3 multiply 9 27. So 28. Correct? So we can write the answer. Next page. So capital X equals 1 over 14 matrix. What are the numbers? Multiply we got. We can write -14 and 28. Okay. Now multiply this number 2 inside. 1 over 14 multiply -14 and 28. So we can get it. Capital X means X and Y matrix equal matrix. Here you can see what is the number. What are the number? 1 by 14 multiply -14. You will get -1. Then 1 over 14 multiply 28. You will get 2. So -1 and 2. So we can write the solution. Solution is X equal to -1, Y equal to 2. The first number and second number. So this is the solution of this system. X number -1, Y number 2. Hope you understood the steps 2 by 2 system. So as of now we did this 3 question in 2 by 2 system. Now we will do one question from a 3 by 3 system. Okay, how to find the solution of a 3 by 3 system. This is little lengthy, but we are reducing, okay, writing the inverse directly here. So here this is the 3 by 3 system solved by matrix inverse method. Correct? So we need to calculate X, Y and Z. So first we need to represent this system by matrix form. Ax equal to B. We need to write what is our A matrix. A matrix means just behind number, X behind number 1, Y behind number -1, Z behind number 1. Second equation, X behind number 0, Y behind number 2, Z behind number -1. Third equation, X2, Y3, and Z is 0, correct? 2, 3 and 0. Now B matrix, what is the B matrix? Just right side number matrix, 1, 1, 1. Then write capital X. What are the unknowns? We need to calculate X value, Y value, Z value. So this is the capital X matrix. Now, first find what is the A inverse matrix. A inverse matrix of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, A inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. We studied this in the 5.5 section. Okay, refer this class, this recorded class, 5.5 recorded class. You will get the answer. This question already solved there in 5.5 recorded class. So I am just writing the answer only here because it is lengthy. You know that one, A inverse. So A inverse equal to, okay, whatever we are getting answer there, I am just writing here. We got 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5 and 2. So you can refer that recorded class 5.5 section. It is there already. So this is A inverse matrix. Now we can apply the rule for finding solution. X equal A inverse matrix multiply B matrix. Correct? A inverse matrix multiply B matrix. What is the A inverse matrix? So we can write X equal A inverse matrix, just now we wrote matrix 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5 and 2. Multiply B matrix, we are written already 1, 1 and 1. Correct? This is the B matrix already here. So only A inverse part you can refer that recorded class. Now we need to multiply these two matrices so that we will get the answer. So this is the first row, row number 1. This is row number 2. This is row number 3. These rows we need to multiply with the column number 1. Correct? So first we are doing row number 1 with column number 1. So first number with the first number, 3 multiply 1. Second number with the second number, 3 multiply 1. Third number with the third number, minus 1 multiply 1. Correct? So 3 multiply 1, 3. Again 3, 6, 6 minus 1, that is 5. Now row number 2 with column number 1. Okay, so first number is minus 2 multiply first 1 plus second number minus 2, 1. Third number 1 multiply 1. You will get minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Now R3 with C1. Third row with column number 1. So first number minus 4 with 1 plus second number with second number minus 5 with 1 plus third number 2 multiply 1. Okay, so what number we got? Minus 4, minus 5, minus 9. Minus 9 plus 2, that is minus 7. Correct? So we can write the answer here. Capital X means X, Y and Z equal matrix. Multiply matrix, what numbers we got? 5, minus 3 and minus 7. Okay, now we can write the solution. So the solution is X equal to the first number 5, Y equal to the second number minus 3, Z equal to the third number minus 7. I hope you understood. X means the first number, Y second, third Z number. So this is the 3 by 3 system solution by matrix inverse method. So only here the thing missed is A inverse finding. A inverse finding only we need to study separately. After that the steps are easy how to find the solution. Okay, one more question we will practice this one. Solve the following system using matrix inverse method. Okay, 3 by 3 system here also. So we can write A matrix first. A matrix is X behind number 2, Y behind number minus 1, Z coefficient 3, second equation 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Then B matrix 0, 6, 2. Then capital X matrix, unknown matrix X, Y and Z. Now we need to calculate A inverse. As I told you, I am just writing the answer only here, A inverse matrix. A inverse matrix is, we are getting minus 1, 1, 2 and 0, 0.5, minus 0.5, 1, minus 0.5, minus 1.5. This one you can refer as usual. You can refer the section 5.5, the idea. Okay, you can try yourself. Idea you can refer from the recorded class 5.5. Now we can do the solution. X equals A inverse matrix multiply B matrix. Correct? That means X equal, what is the A inverse matrix? Just now we wrote minus 1, 1, 2, 0, 0.5, minus 0.5, 1, minus 0.5, minus 1.5. Multiply with B matrix 0, 6, 2. So as I told you, first we multiply row number 1 with column number 1, row number 2 with column number 1, row 3 with column number 1. So you can check first R1, C1. What are the numbers? Minus 1 with 0, plus 1 with 6, plus 2 with 2. Then R2, C1. 0 with 0, plus 0.5 with 6, plus minus 0.5 with 2. Then R3, C1. 1 multiply 0, plus minus 0.5 with 6, plus minus 1.5 with 2. You can use the calculator. So you will get X, Y, Z. Capital X means X, Y, Z equals the column matrix. You will get the first number 6 plus 4, that is 10. Second number 0.5 plus 3 minus 1, that is 2. Third one minus 3 minus 3, minus 6. So we can write the solution. Solution is X equal 10, Y equals 2, Z equal minus 6. I hope you understood the 3 by 3 system. Only you need to refer the A inverse matrix from the previous recordings. All other things are easy to find the solution of a 3 by 3 system. So this is the idea of this section, how to find the solution by matrix inverse method. Especially we are discussing 2 by 2 system and 3 by 3 system. Same idea we can extend to any system of equation, n by n system of equations. So I hope you understood the idea. Thank you for watching this recorded class. Please subscribe my channel for getting more recorded classes. Thank you very much.